Hey, so this is the Merax LUMISOL 64-inch console table that's 30 inches tall, 15 inches across wide, and like I said, it's 64 inches long. It has 3 working drawers and the shelf down at the bottom. It is a solid, heavy, durable table that we have loved. You did have to put it together when it came, but it was mostly assembled. We just had to attach the legs and the bottom shelf, but it was really easy to assemble. I switched out the hardware on the knobs so they're easily to swap out if you want to change up your look. But yeah, so the drawers open and close good. Oh, you found my stash. As you can tell, it's pretty solid construction. You have the shelf down at the bottom. This is what it looks like up under. I don't think anybody ever shows that part. Sometimes that might be helpful. This is the back of it. Front. Inside. So like I said, it's a very nice, sturdy, well-made piece of furniture that we have thoroughly enjoyed.